Hello, Homeschool Planet user. Thanks for watching this video. I'm going to show you today how to move assignments, which is something in a perfect world we wouldn't need to do, but in a real world we do. There are multiple ways to move assignments in Homeschool Planet, so we're going to touch on the three easiest ones. The first thing I'm going to show you is how to simply be in your calendar mode and move things by dragging. So if I want Matthew, I know tomorrow I don't want to have to do handwriting. I'd like him to get it done today. I can just literally drag it to this day, say only change it once, move it, leave the rest of the schedule alone, boom, now there's no assignment for tomorrow, and today he does letters O and W. So there's that. Now, let's move it and fix it by a different method. I'm going to select the title of the class and choose Edit, and then I can either go over here, and when you hover over any line, you'll see these double arrows. I can just drag it there to a different day. Yet another way in the editing screen is for you to go to the More menu, and then you can remove the assignment, move this one assignment, and it lets you select the date you'd like. So I'm going to move it to the 24th, and it'll move that to the 24th. Or I could say just shift this and the following assignments down, and you see they all move down to the 27th. Or I can say, please merge it with the previous day and shift them up, and I'm going to do that again so I end up nice and even. Or I can shift the entire schedule out. Let's say we're going to take a week off handwriting, so I'm going to go here and I'm going to say instead of the 23rd, let's push these to the 30th. So we hope that it is easy to see. Now let's pretend you do something and you say, how did I end up with all these gaps? You can go in, you can say eliminate gaps in the schedule from this day forward, and floop, all my assignments have moved on back up. Okay, that's actually 2 ways I've showed you so far, but it feels like 10. Your other option, of course, is to use the rescheduling helper. When you go through, the software will find any assignments that have not been marked complete, and then you have the options to actually not change them, to not show them again, to mark them complete, delete them, move them forward, or pull them back. I hope that's helpful. There is a more detailed entry about using the rescheduling helper under the assignments section. It is called Rescheduling Helper. If you have any questions we haven't covered yet, always reach out. We're happy to help you. You can reach us at support@homeschoolplanet.com, or you can go to the Help menu in your planner and choose Contact Us, and that will bring up the space where you can send us a direct ticket. Have a great day. Bye-bye.